Welcome to Natural Resources. In last two classes, we learned about meaning of natural resources, types of natural resources, scarcity of resources and their solutions. Today, we learned about ecological footprint and how to reducing it. Where we are living? Yes, we are living on the earth because earth is our only living planet. It is home for all forms of life like plants, animals and human beings. How much pressure is the mankind putting on it? How to measure overall impact of human activity on the earth's environment? Yes, WWF measure the effect of human activity on the earth through ecological footprint. First, we learn WWF. WWF full form is World Wildlife Fund. World Wildlife Fund is one of the international non-governmental organization. This is also one of the international organization founded in 1961. So the main duty of WWF is protect and reduction of human impact on the environment or earth. So WWF using an instrument that is ecological footprint. This is one of the instrument used by WWF because to measure the effect of human activity on the earth. So ecological footprint. The meaning of ecological footprint is the indicator is an estimate of the amount of space on the earth that an individual uses in order to survive using existing technology. That means the definition explained WWF used an existing technology because of how much physical land used by human beings, their survival. You understand the meaning of ecological footprint? Yes. How much physical land used by human beings, their survival. This is ecological footprint. Ecological footprint measured by existing technology by WWF. So, WWF we are living on the earth. Already I told we are living on earth. So, each one of us has ecological footprint. Ecological footprint gives an idea about use of resources and waste generation by a people or country. It includes food, water, energy, clothing and building materials and also includes the amount of land and water required to assimilate the waste generated by that person. The ecological footprint measures a person demand on the biocapacity of the earth. WWF defines a country's ecological footprint. This is also one of the definition given by WWF. The sum of all crop plant, grazing land, forest land, fishing ground required to produce the food, fiber and timber it consumes. To absorb the waste emitted when it uses energy and to provide space for infrastructure. That means the total land area of the country used to production of food, grazing land for animals, the land absorb the waste released by fuel and provide land for fulfill our basic wants. This is given by WWF or this is one of the definition of WWF. WWF institution gives a living planet report of 2014 found that in 2010 the globe or the world ecological footprint was 18.1 billion global hectare. Global hectare, or this is also called GHA. 18.1 billion GHA or 2.6 GHA per individual. 2.6, one person used the land. 18.1, the total people used the land. We used the land 18.1 billion GHA, but Earth total bio capacity, but Earth capacity only 12 billion or 1.7 GHA per one person. But we used more land because the Earth capacity only 12 billion GHA, but we are used 18.1 billion GHA. So in 2010, the people used about 50% more natural resources or one and a half planet. If we continue, we will need 5 planet Earths in order to survival. But that is not possible. How to use 5 planet? Because only living planet only one, that is Earth. So we control the using of resources. What can we do? Yes, it gives a clear picture to change the way we live means used less resources. Mahatma Gandhi also said, be the change you want to see in others. So first we start recycling and spread the news to the neighbors and other family members. How to reduce ecological footprint? Yes, the ecological footprint reduced through the food, electricity, transportation, creating less waste, water and community. So this we reduce our ecological footprint. So the first one, food. Buy organic food or locally grown products are produced. In organic food, used less chemical fertilizers and also used to less insecticide. So we purchase organic foods. Second one, have a kitchen garden because this cut down on pollution from shipping, fertilizers, packaging and your food is very fresher. Bring your own bags to the store because avoid the plastic or uses of more resources. Fourth one, buy and eat less frozen food. This is frozen means processed food is not good for health. So we eat less frozen food. Eat fresh fruits instead of juice bottle. Next, eat less meat and dairy products. This is also affected on the health. Don't eat hotel food. Eat at home. Second one, energy or electricity. Put off all the lights when not in use at home. Turn the air conditioner and heater off at night. In night, AC and heater are not necessary. Get outside. When we get outside, take less energy. Keep doors and windows closed or shut when heating or cooling the house or car. Through this way, we reduce our ecological footprint. Transportation. Walk or ride your bicycle to school. From this, we avoid the pollution from fuels. Take public transportation. It avoids the more vehicle used from one home. Using carpool when you are going is too far to walk. Carpool means sharing of car journeys. Means so that more than one person travel in a car. This is called a carpool. When we are going outside using carpool. Next point. Creating less waste. Purchase product with the least amount of packaging possible. Don't take individually wrapped containers. Bring your own bags to the store. Purchase recycled products like metal cans, old cell phones, plastic bottles. When broken your things, don't throw away. Mend the things. Mend means repair the things and use the item as long as you can. Donate old items to like someone like textbook, class to poor people. Purchase items that can be used multiple times. Reuse water bottles. Next one, water. Water also one of the precious natural resources. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Why? Yes, don't waste water. Not only a home and also a school. Don't put toxins down to storm drains. Means after the expiry of tablets or poisonous thing, we throw the drainages. So throw the drainages, the poison join to streams or water sources. So this is not only affect the animals and also a peoples. This is also a affect the peoples. Use only full load washing machines. When we put a bricks in your toilet tank, we save thousands of liters of water. Don't use Western commode. Use only a Indian toilet because Indian toilets are more hygienic and also a clean. Next one, community. So mentioned above points are individual responsibilities. That means person's responsibilities. Community means group of people. So this one is group of people responsibility. So the first one, we give information to community about the effect of ecological footprint. Next, join to social service group. The people join to social service group that works to make local rivers and stream protect or clean. We get always involved with a recycling programs. Conduct the energy audit of our school. Through the energy audit, we learned how to save money and electricity. Try to find out the school ecological footprint. Thus, with simple step, we protect our resources and reducing our pressure on the environment. Thank you. Take your homework. Write the full form of WWF. Second one, what is meant by ecological footprint? Third one, how to reduce the ecological footprint.